that I am from this kingdom, and I know whosoever lies before Saka dies instantly, I wouldn't have believed you had no hand in Kachi's death.
How do you mean, Nkwo?
Zondo, you're my best friend, and I know how much you dislike your only brother. I know how you pest me and tell me you wish you can strangle him to death.
You are right. And I know how much Kachi wished he could do the same to me. But honestly, even though I am now happy that he has gone to the land beyond and that I have my peace, honestly, I do not know anything pertaining to his death. I am sure his wickedness caught up with him.
Oh, I pity his poor wife who have a child at hand.
Are you mad? Idiot! Are you drunk? You want to push me down? Are you stupid? Fool! After drinking nonsense, you want to push me down? He got. Look at this animal. You want to push me down, idiot? I can't continue this journey. Who knows what this idiot has committed that is pursuing him? And he wants to hang it on somebody's shoulder. No, it cannot be my own shoulder. Hey, idiot! Whatever you have committed there, go back and collect it. You are looking for who you will hang it on his shoulder, not mine. Idiot! You see that thing that you have committed? Shoulder to hang it on. It is not possible. Not my shoulder. Not anybody's shoulder. You must come and have. You see that thing that you did? You've done it. You must hang it on your neck. He got. Come back. I said, are you mad? Idiot. Come back and collect it. He has committed and he's running. You can never run away from what you have committed. Every day you commit. Every day you commit one thing. You see this one? You are going in for it. Come back here, you goat. He got. Liquor. He cannot hang this one on my neck. He must be hung on his neck. He got. Idiot.
My son, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, grandfather.
Zika, my son.
Grandfather, why are you smiling at me?
Oh, Zika, my son. Each time I see you, you remind me of my son, your late father. You are every inch of him, a chip of the old buck.
Thank you very much, grandfather.
Very hardworking, diligent. May our gods bless you and give you long life.
Thank you very much, grandfather. Thank you.
But I go in and take something to eat.
It's all right, grandfather.
I know you by now. You'll be famished. I'm very hungry.
Indeed, I'm very, very tired, grandfather. Wait a minute, grandfather. I hope you have eaten.
Oh, I have eaten very well, I am full. I prepared a very fine oil bean for you. Very tasty. Go in and eat every one of them.
I'm very proud of you.
Hey.
Where is that food? Idiot! You think you can run away? It is not possible. Come back here. Go and carry what you've done for yourself. Go. Are you mad? I know where you have run to. You could have as well run to another place. The worst crime you have committed was to come to this place. My friend, come out! Come out, idiot! If I eventually go in there, you are dead.
Hey, what is wrong with you? Are you drunk or you are mad? What are you doing here?
You're very stupid. You are very stupid to have talked to me like that. Are you mad? Idiot. What offense have you committed this time?
Hey,
My friend, talk to me.
you better leave here now before I do something bad to you.
Ooh. Before you do something, are you mad? Oh, so you want me to run towards where you were coming from? So that I'll be caught and blamed for the crime you've committed that was making you to run away like that? Yeah? You are failed. Woo!
It's obvious you are mad. You're drunk. I don't have time for this.
Are you mad? Look at this fool. Oh. I said, you think I die here? I die here. I must be here until the tension comes down. It is not possible. I can never use my head to carry whatever I know nothing about. Nothing is not possible. Who knows what this he-goat has committed? Hey, he-goat! If I force myself into that your useless hideout, I'll finish you. By the time I'm done with you, you know that you are dealing with a fool man. I am 10 put together. Come out!
Zika, my son,
Mother.
your late parents were very good people.
Thank you, Mother.
Your grandfather, Unko, and my father were both merchants. They traded together. They were best of friends.
That's good. Good to hear, Mother.
In fact, my grandfather said the same thing when I introduced Sika to him. He said he was good friends with your late father.
That is good to hear. You know, Sika told me about you, and I asked her to invite you. I needed to see you with both eyes so that I would know whom we're talking about.
I'm here, Mother.
And it's good to know you're from a good home.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mother. Thank you.
You know, it's obvious both of you seem to be in love. And I must say that love is a beautiful thing. But, if not properly handled, could cause disaster. Well, you've both met and you're still young. So I think you should relax a bit, you know? Because sometimes in love, you might want something and the other thing is what you get. So I'll advise that you not be in a hurry. But I promise to talk to Sika's father as time progresses.
Lika.
Just like that. Hmm? How can you just greet it just like that?
I said greetings. Or did I say anything wrong?
And I said just like that. Come here, come close. Hmm? What? Listen. I want to bring out the beauty in you. Yes. Do you know who I am? Hmm? Do you know who I will become? In fact, do you know my palace?
Lika, please. I think you've had enough. The sun is too much, and as you can see, I'm just returning from the market. Just go home and rest while I do same. I don't have this time, please.
What do you mean hard enough? You think what? Eh? The sun must be hot, yes. Are you mad? Are you stupid? You're a fool. Look at this darkness. Thunder will strike you, idiot. You want to? Oh, somebody that I have wooed to become my woman, and this idiot came and spoiled it. God of Allah will strike you to death. Idiot. You don't have future. Darkness. Eh? Did you not see bright future? And you came with your darkness to rule everything. You're a fool. Idiot. Enemies of progress. Lady, I'm coming for you.
Grandfather,
My son.
sometimes I look at life and I feel the gods have not been fair. While some people have food in abundance, others barely have enough to eat. Some have love all around them, while others take their entire life looking for love and yet do not find them. Grandfather, why can't the gods bless us all equally so that we can live happily ever after? Why?
Zika, my son. If our gods had blessed man equally, man wouldn't have appreciated the essence of life, the dualities of life, the good and the bad, the right and the wrong, the joys and the pains of life. Life in itself would have been one-sided, my son.
Would that not have been better?
Not at all. It wouldn't have been better. Life in itself would have been very boring. The gods have their reasons for everything. They can never be wrong in this life of time and space. My son Ziga, as you are now growing up, you should be able to overcome the fears and all the dangers of this life. Zika, my son, the ways of our gods are not the ways of men.
That is it. And what do you think?
Zuka, I've heard you, but the truth is that my father will kill me if he should find out I'm having anything to do with you. I know.
Leave your father out of this. Will your father marry you?
Are you trying to say you want to marry me?
Of course, I want to marry you. Look, I have eyes only for you.
You are a liar. You are a liar. Bloody fool. Right? You see you? Hey, if you look at me, I will drop this.
Hey, Lika, You drunkard, take your time and leave this place.
I should take my time.
Leave this place. See.
Control your eyes, idiot. No. How many innocent maidens will you deceive in this village just to get under the wrapper? Huh? Idiot.
Hey, you drunkard. Leave this place now, or...
Zuka, what is he talking about?
Run. That is what he's talking about.
Are you mad?
By the time we succeed in zukaring you, nothing will remain here. It will be empty. My friend, run! He want to zuka you. He has been zukaring people. Idiot. No, you cannot zuka this one. If I should drop my companion on the ground, you are dead. Is it me?
You see this drink? How did you come about it?
This is Zondo's drink. Zondo the tapa.
The drink is fresh from the top of the palm tree.
Oh, yes.
Come on.
You know me.
Yes, now.
First tap in the morning comes to my house.
Wonderful.
Doesn't go to anywhere.
Hey, as a rich man. It's my people. I wonder at this time of the year, the rain have still refused to come as it should.
Honestly, Nana, I am bothered too. Because it is really slowing down the farming season for all of us.
Yes. Well, to me the rain might still come. But who are we to question the gods? They do things that they like.
Yes.
Koro, you are right. It still can't come. It still can.
Well, you know the rain can be unpredictable.
Yes.
That is why I decided to go into buying and selling. Yes, when the farm produce did not work, I will use my goods to exchange goods from the neighboring village.
Merchant.
And before you know it, things are happening.
Koro, how could you say that?
I wonder.
You are a wealthy man and everyone knows that already. How could you be comparing yourself to poor men like us that are surviving only on a piece of farmland? How could you?
I'm not comparing, you know. I'm just trying to state the fact that you can join me in this buying and selling business so that you don't rely solely on your farm.
Anyway,
Yes.
let's forget that. Let's drink up and be merry, irrespective of what.
Yes.
Nana,
This your drink is
you're a cunning man.
It must cost a lot.
Are you sure you want me to go?
You know my friend is here. But I promise you, if she leaves, I'll see you. Or better still, I will see you before I go home. Yes.
I wish I could be everywhere with you.
I know, but do not worry. I'll see you, I promise, before I go home.
Make sure you do.
Bye. Lover girl. Please stop. You too, are you not a lover girl? Meanwhile, it's been long I saw Zuka. How is he?
I don't want to talk about him. I don't want to talk about that cheat.
You call your man a cheat?
He is a cheat.
I respect that. Let's go.
Lover girl.
Oh, please.
My friend. Greetings to you. Greetings. You seem so happy this morning. Of course. Of course, I am very, very happy. I just saw my treasure. The one I call my own. I saw her on my way to the farm. She was going to the stream. And I tell you what, today will indeed be a great day.
No wonder.
Yes, you know why? Because each time I see my treasure in the morning, she lightens up my day.
I see the reason why you are all smile.
Oh yes! See, Juku, I must do everything I can to marry Sika. She has everything I want in a wife.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Indeed, you are a very lucky man.
Thank you.
To have her as your wife.
What do you mean by that? Is she not lucky to have me?
Oh, my friend. That's fine. You are the one lucky.
Well, I pray the gods that I have someone like her too.
Hey, Juku, let me remind you, please. You can have for yourself a loving and caring wife, but please, not the one that looks like my Sika. Okay?
My friend, you are safe.
Jeku.
Let's go.
Jeku, my man.
Didi! Finally, you guys are here. What kept you girls? I would have fetched and left since so.
Ask your friend.
Uh-huh. Zina, must you talk? Must you?
I will talk. Tell me what happened. I've been waiting for since. I want to hear everything. Tell me.
I will tell you.
Tell me, please.
She was with her.
Zika.
Yes! And so, did I kill anybody?
Oh.
No, you did not, my dear.
Good. Can we fetch water and leave?
No, we can't leave immediately because I want to have my bath.
Okay, you have yours while I fetch my water.
That's fine.
What about your soup?
Oh, please. I told you not to mention it.
I will mention it.
Don't mention
Leave me alone. Are you mad? Are you crazy? See, I am here to see your father, not you.
What's this again, Lika? I thought I begged you not to tell my father about this, and I won't go to see Zuka anymore.
Really?
Yes.
No, that's all? Fine. Your father must hear this.
Please, I've begged you. I've begged you. If my father find out that I was standing with a man, my father will kill me.
Oh, so you know that you are too young to be allowing a man, not even a man, a half man, an idiot named Zuka to be touching your waist?
He did not touch me. Believe me, he did not.
He did not touch you? Are you sure? He did not touch you?
Yes, he did not.
Why? But if you are sure, because the way I am looking at you, some of your body, some of the area concentrations and interests are no longer there. Yeah?
He did not touch me, I swear.
It's okay. It's okay. You know what? Because the next time I will, in fact, it has reduced. Take.
What should I do with this?
Oh, is that the question? What? Oh, fine.
I will do it.
Are you mad?
I will do it.
Go and do the idiot. Idiot. Look at this idiot that called herself Ella. Nonsense. Eh? Your mother produces and sells good liquor. And ask me what will I do with it? You are a fool.
No, stop it.
with my girlfriend. I am full of energy.
Lika, you have a girlfriend?
You don't know? You didn't know?
Who is your girlfriend?
This is my girlfriend, my energy.
Let me get you water to wash your hands.
My hands. My hand is not dirty.
Lika, you will never change. Why don't you keep your drink and eat your food? Must you drink all the time?
There's something you don't know. Let me tell you. Food is for the body, while liquor is for the soul.
You're already eating. Yeah, and I brought you water.
My hand is not dirty. But if you see that I must wash my hand before eating, that's all right.
Must you lick your fingers like that?
Let me wash my hands so that you'll be happy. Are you happy now?
I am happy.
Please, let's hurry and leave. We are the only ones remaining here.
Didi, anyone who hears her will think that she's actually going home.
But of course you know I'm going home.
I know.
My parents will be worried about me by now.
I hear you.
Are you sure you're not hurrying home because of Zika?
No, truth be told, I don't like what you people are saying. I don't like it.
Sorry.
You're saying it as if you don't have your own man. Don't you have yours?
I don't have.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's really go.
You like trouble. Please, let's go.
Your sister is not yet back.
Mother, don't you know your daughter? Don't you know your daughter? Where else will she be if not with her friends? She will leave what she's supposed to do and go and talk with her friends.
She will come back to meet me.
Coming back to meet you. Mama coming back to meet you. Once she's back now, you and Papa will not do anything. You will not do anything if not overlook her, and tomorrow she will repeat herself again.
Would you shut that stupid mouth of yours? You just know how to talk without thinking.
I know where I'm saying.
I said shut up!
But if she come back here, I will try and know what is keeping her there. This is too much. She's a woman in this house. She's supposed to stay in the house. No, not every day gossip. By the time she comes back, I will try and know if she's my senior or I'm her senior. What kind of rubbish is this? She will not listen to me in this house. She always do what.
My love, I really have to be on my way. It's getting late.
Oh, please, why not stay a little longer with me? Please, I beg you.
But you know, I would even love to spend the whole day with you. But you know by now, Zina and Didi will be home.
Who? That's true. And I don't want them to get worried about you.
That is it, so I have to go.
Okay, you go.
But do not worry, I'll come and visit you and Papa tomorrow.
And then bushmeat and palm wine shall be thy portion.
I know.
All right then.
Okay. But you have to carry the pot.
Okay. Anything for my love?
No, carry the water.
Okay.
Greetings, mother.
Where are you coming from?
am coming from the stream.
Don't you dare lie to me.
Yes, I'm coming. I'm sorry, I was with.
Don't you dare lie to me.
Okay, forgive me, Mother. My friends and I took a long wash at the stream. And,
Speak up!
Zika visited me.
I enjoyed the meal.
Oh, you did?
Yes, you're getting better by the day.
I'm glad you did. Father, what about you?
Of course I did. Thank you.
Now, you promised to tell us a story tonight.
Yes.
And what would it be?
It's about the tortoise.
Oh, really?
Oh, you and these, your tortoise teeth.
Greetings, mother.
Mm-hmm.
Greetings, mother. Greetings. Sit down.
He's a very cunning animal, of course.
Mother, have you asked Sika why she came back from the stream late today?
What kind of a question is that?
I said it. I said it. That once she's back from the stream, you will always protect her. You will protect her. And next time she will repeat herself.
Will you shut up? Shut up! What is the matter with you? She has already explained herself to me, and that is all that matters.
So it's all right. So what kept you so long at the stream today?
Father, when I got to the stream, there were many people there. And the stream was muddy. So I had to wait for it to settle before I fetched water. That's all.
Lies. Lies. See, Sika, when will you stop lying to I and our parents? Why not tell them the truth?
Will you keep quiet? What is wrong with
Oh,
you?
enough, both of you. Enough. Now listen. Let this be the very last time that this will repeat itself again.
Father, I know why I'm saying
sorry,
it.
Father, but it wasn't intentional. It wasn't my fault.
See, respect yourself.
Will you shut up? You talk too much. You're always talking. That's why your mouth is that way.
That is because he's less than a man. You're not man enough, yes.
Are you talking to me?
You cannot fetch water. You cannot even go to the farm. Neither can you do anything.
Father, did you hear her?
Hey, how is your friends?
They are fine.
I'm sure you came back for the fishing, right?
Yes.
Nah. Look at Kuro. Look at Kuro.
Listen, good. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Kuro.
Nana.
Kuro, how are you? Kuro, you're welcome. Welcome, Kuro.
Hey, Nana.
How is everything?
I'm fine.
Your people.
Good. Yes. I'm just coming from my farm. The harvest is good. Thanks to the gods.
Thanks to the gods.
Yes.
Thanks to the gods. Koro, remember you promised to take me to Kibo Market a day after tomorrow.
Yes, my friend. That's why I'm here.
Good news, good news.
My source over there informed me that there will be a lot of palm oil on that day. I'm going to sell my yams in exchange for palm oil.
Koro, let me get you some. It's okay. You deserve it, my good friend.
Nana, my friend.
You deserve it.
Nana. This man. My good friend, Nana.
Sika. Mother. The charm, my daughter. Have I ever told you how I met your father and we got married?
No, Mother, you haven't.
Well, I decided to wait until you come of age, then I will tell you.
Okay.
Would you like to hear?
I'm listening, Mother.
You see, in those days, when a man liked a woman, before he starts telling her that he loves her, he would want to marry her, he would first present himself to her family and make his intentions known. Then, he can now tell the woman what he wants. There was nothing like meeting a man by the stream, on the roadside, by the bush path. In those days, if any woman tries it, she will bring embarrassment, not just to her parents, but to herself.
me?
I just wanted to scare you a bit.
And why would you do such a thing? Listen, I don't like it. Don't do it again.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm sorry, but where are you headed?
I'm going to see Zika.
What for?
What kind of question is that? Don't you know he's my man?
Your man? You call that loser your man?
Excuse me? I take exceptions to that. Do not ever insult my man again. Don't call him names.
Come on, come on, come on. You deserve to be with a real man.
And who is the real man?
Me, of course.
I see. No wonder why Zina always complains that you're a cheat. Don't you have conscience? Don't you know that Zina is my best friend?
Oh, leave that good-for-nothing Zina out of this. You deserve to be happy. Come, let me make you happy.
I don't blame you. Rubbish. Don't ever try this nonsense with me.
Sika, someday you will be mine.
How dare that good-for-nothing riffraff tell you a thing like that?
My love, you have to calm down. We already know he is no good. He is not. It is only Nene I pity. If only she knows the monster she calls her man.
By the gods! I will deal with him!
Oh no, you do not have to stress yourself over that. Because I already put him in his place. He wouldn't dare again. He wouldn't. Okay? Zika, there is something very important I need to discuss with you. Very important.
That was the advice she said her mother gave her. She left here not long ago.
That's very good. It shows that she's from a good family. More importantly, that she has good home training. My son Zika, you see, if a man wants a woman, he needs to do the needful. Otherwise, the man is not ready.
No, Grandfather, no. I am very ready. We are ready. Grandfather, we love each other so much.
Love is not enough. Okay? Anyway, I will inform my kinsmen so that we'll go and see her own people.
Grandfather, promise?
It's a promise, my son.
Thank you, Grandfather. Thank you so much. I know I can always count on you. 1 minute.
That's Zika, my son. I was like him.
My treasure. Guess what?
You seem very excited.
Yes.
What happened?
As soon as you left, my grandfather and I had a one-on-one about what we discussed earlier. He has agreed to bring his kinsmen to see your parents so that we can do the needful.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey, that's a good news.
Yes. Yes. Soon we shall be man and wife.
Come with me. Yes. Mother!
What is it?
Tell her.
Tell me what?
Greetings, mother.
Tell her already.
Greetings. Tell me what it is before I start getting worried.
That my grandfather
Yes?
has promised to come with his kinsmen so we can ask for Sika's hand in marriage.
Yes, mother. Yes. Yes, mother.
Zuka, my friend, your parents are dead long time ago. So why put the blames on them?
Who else is to be blamed? Who else is to be blamed if not them? If they have worked hard before they died, they would have left me many parcels of land. I would have been a wealthy man, and all the maidens in this kingdom would have longed for me.
Zuka, my friend, life is not all about women. You can work hard, get money, and even get married and build a family for yourself.
No, don't ever say that again. Marriage is not for me. Do you understand? Why would I allow myself to be tied down with one woman for the rest of my life? No, never. Look, the beautiful ones are not even born yet. For now, I will enjoy the available ones and wait for the unborn ones.
Zuka, you always surprise me.
Hey, look, my friend, there's no surprise in this. These maidens were created for us to enjoy ourselves. And once you're a wealthy man, they'll all be longing for you. Enjoy yourself while you are alive.
My goodness.
What are you doing?
Come, my friend. Guess what?
What?
Zuka, my sweetheart, got me this.
Seriously? Oh my
So tell me, which one
God.
do you like? Which one do you like?
Let me see. I think I prefer this.
Right?
This is nice.
Actually my favorite.
Oh my dear. It is indeed a great news.
Yes, it
I'm
is.
so happy for Sika.
Yes.
May the gods bless their union.
Soon, Kabu. Look, I am really happy for my friend. I am so happy for her. I mean, soon enough, she will become the wife to the greatest Zika.
I'm happy for her too.
Yeah.
And you know, soon you will become your wife to Zuka. You people are so lucky. Not like me, I've not been lucky with men.
My friend, not to worry. Very soon, the gods shall give you a good man. Okay? Don't say Okay, fine. So tell me, will this suit me?
He is a well-behaved young man that every parent would want as a son-in-law.
Yes, I agree with you.
So did he say exactly when he's coming so that I can inform my kinsman?
Not really, but I'm sure it will be soon, from the way he was sounding.
Why not tell your daughter to find out so that we are not caught off guard?
I will, my husband. I will.
Good. By the way, where is your daughter?
I think she's gone to meet some of her friends.
Oh, she must be so excited and couldn't wait to share the good news with her friends.
Who wouldn't be? As a matter of fact, it reminds me of myself in those days.
You can say that again.
Leka, must you be eating and drinking at the same time?
Am I drinking? I am just cooling my soul.
Lika, anytime I see you eating food, it gives me joy. And I want to advise you to eat more food so that you can reduce this habit of drinking.
I am eating this food so that it would not look as if we are quarreling.
Lika.
Do you understand? In fact,
Lika, have we done anything wrong to you? It's your food now.
in fact, I am alright. I need to keep a space in my stomach for my baby.
Then eat your food.
I've told you before that food is for the body. Liver is for the soul. In fact, you have to.
Mother, what happened to you? What? Hey, talk to me. What is it? Sorry.
Let her lie down. Let her lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
Okay, lie down. Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
Let her lie. Just let her lie. Let her lie.
Please lie down. What do we do now?
Sorry, I don't know.
Sorry.
You should say what went.
Whatever you are, finish it again. It will make you who you think you will ever be.
Pika.
Buka.
What is it now?
Who's pushing you?
Eh?
Where is she?
Who?
The idiot that is pushing you.
See.
Show me, let me.
Listen, Pika.
Let me break.
Nobody is after me. Nobody's pursuing me. Eh? As I'm talking to you now, everywhere is not good. Everywhere is not good. My mother, she's not getting herself. See, as I speak to you, she's dying.
Who is dying?
My mother!
Your mother. No. Who will be giving me food? No, she better don't die. No. Let's do a revival.
Wait. Listen, I am rushing to this right now. Eh? I want to go and see the chief priest. Yes. I want to see him so he will come and attend to my mom.
Let us go.
Eh?
Let us go together.
Yeah, let's go now. Come, let's go. Run.
Easy. Listen. We will go together.
Run! I'm running fast now.
She didn't.
Greetings, grandfather.
Sika, where are you off to?
Grandfather, I need to go see Sika briefly.
Okay. But please, don't be long. Remember, I will have to peel those cassava you brought from the farm. Eh? Don't be long.
Wise one, please come out and help me! Wise one!
Hey. Let us go.
It is me, wise one. It is me. Please, my mother is very sick. She is very, very sick. As I'm talking to you now, she's not getting herself. Please, I want you to come and help me.
Let us go. The signs are dark.
Let us go immediately.
Let's go.
Hey.
Let me carry you. Enter. Move.
Not a word about this to anyone. Understand? If you say a word about this, you and your family will suffer. It's all your fault. Shut up. Stop. It's all your fault. All this while I've been wanting you. If you had willingly given in, this would have happened. It's all your fault. It's on you. It's not a word.
I'm afraid you have to get the items needed for the sacrifice. Otherwise, I fear for her.
Huh. Come. Wise one, or whatever one they call you. All those goods we have that we are requesting for, who is going to eat them? I am asking you.
Excuse me.
Who is going to eat? Oh, you're walking away.
My mother's sickness is getting worse. She doesn't even eat. Even to drink water is a big problem.
What did the wise one say?
He said it's a strange ailment that cannot be cured easily. Except if we offer a sacrifice of 4 goats, 4 native fowls, 4 native eggs, and kola nuts. My mother will not be healed, Zika. My mother will not be healed. My mother will be healed.
Be strong. Don't cry, okay? I'll tell you what. I will talk to my grandfather. And then we'll see what we can do. But the problem is, even if we sold all our harvest, there will not be enough to get all that is needed for the sacrifice. But I know something. The gods will see us through. Uchunto Kalayata. Be strong. Be strong. Be strong.
Deep things in the night, faces in the dark.
My son.
Must be seen in the
It's a good
gods are wiser.
You have to help me. My wife, Nigerian, is dying. She's dying right now. I need some money to buy some items to save her life. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Give me some money. Please. I don't have any money on me. And I'm still a youth. No, I know. Anything. However little. Please. Don't go. Please. Hey, please. She's dying. Nuju is dying. Hey.
brother. I know that you're working. I am very sorry to bother you. I need help desperately. Nobody is ready to help me.
Excuse me, I'm working.
Oh, listen,
I'm working.
My wife is dying. Nuju is dying, my wife. Please, I need help. Whatever you have, please.
Don't.
Please,
Listen, I don't have money now. I don't have money now. I just need go. I don't have money.
I'll follow you to your house.
Go now. I said I don't have money.
She's dying. My wife is dying. Have mercy, please. I'm begging you.
Don't do that. Go. I'm working.
Please, she's dying. She's dying. Oh. My wife is there. Please help me. Nobody is ready to help me.
I don't have money. Go.
Oh. Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? See, I have gone everywhere in search of help, and no one is ready to help me. My wife is dying. Nuju is dying gradually as I am talking to you. I don't want my wife to die. Please help me. Just lend me this money to enable me buy the items for the sacrifice.
Listen to
I
me.
will pay you back as soon as possible.
I know,
please.
Ushi, but I don't have anything here
Hey.
now. Please, my hands are tied.
Hey.
Please.
Okay. I know that you have plenty goats in your yard. Can you lend me one or two? Better still, sell to me on credit. I'll pay you back as soon as possible, please.
Ushi, you are late.
I don't want my wife to die.
Oh my God. You are just now they took all my goats away to my in-laws' place.
Hey, why do you have to do that? Is this place not safe again?
No, they are taking them to the market.
Hey, so you mean not even single one is left
you
here?
You can listen, there's no blood of any goat here.
Hey.
Please, but Ushi, just calm down, my friend. Just calm down. She will not die.
No.
Please, my friend, she will not die. I promise you. Immediately I got my merchant, I will give you something. Please, I will give you the money. Just calm down. Ushi, please.
Okay, let me go. Hey.
What do I do? How can't I?
Wise one, please. These are all we could afford. Please. 2 goats, a stem of plantain, and 10 coconuts. We're also having there alligator pepper, bitter cola, and some cowries. Please, wise one.
Wise one, I beg you with the name of the gods of our land. Please, don't let my mother to die. Please, I'm begging you. Don't let her to die for me. Help us, this is all we have. Help us, please.
As mere mortals, we do not have say to what the gods demands. All we need do is to obey. Else, calamity befalls. Your items are not enough. Yes.
What nonsense? For what? For what? No. Why will he reject those items? Does he know how much it costs to buy? Huh? Did you not see how healthy those goats are? Goats that 30 men put together cannot finish.
Lika, look. You do not question the gods.
Which gods? Huh? No, which gods? What I tell you? Which gods? How are we even sure that it was the gods who demanded that they should bring those foodstuffs? Eh? What do you mean? What do you mean? Do the gods eat goat and yam? Do they? Huh?
Mother.
Huh?
Mother.
Nuju. Nuju. Nuju.
Nuju is dying. Nuju is dying. You have to help me. Kuro, please, please, please. I need some money. Kuro, I'm begging you in the name of the gods, please. I may not be a wealthy man, but you know that I have been a reliable friend. Yes. Please, you cannot allow my wife to die. I don't have money and I don't want her to die.
Please, stop. Your wife will not die.
Okay,
Your wife will not die.
Oh, thank you.
Just look at the farm.
The
harvest is just new. I have not harvested.
Kuro, I need money. You want my wife to die?
She will not die.
Please, now I'm begging.
I don't have none.
Please. You have to help us.
Yes.
My mother's life is at stake. I don't want her to die.
Ushi, listen to me. I don't have money now. My hands are tied. Please,
you
just bear with me.
No, please.
No.
How can I bear with you? My wife is dying. You want me to bear with you? Please, my mother is at stake. Please, I'm my mother.
Sorry, mother.
Mother.
Sorry, please.
It's okay. It's okay, mother.
She's deeply suffering. What have she done to deserve this pain? What kind of strange illness has befallen my life? And how come nobody could help me? Gods of our land, please don't allow death to take her away from me. I would definitely look for a way to get the things needed for this sacrifice.
Sorry, mother. Sorry.
Yes,
Sorry.
Nana? Hey, not again. Where has it gone to now? Nuju, my wife is dying. Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here?
Uchi! Greetings, Uchi.
Nana.
Uchi, what is it?
You have to help me. My wife is dying. I need some money to buy some items to save her life. Please, help me.
Uchi,
I don't
it's
know
not
where
that bad. Get up.
You have to help me.
Uchi, sit up.
Zina!
Yes?
Zina!
Greetings.
What are you still doing here? I've been waiting for you at my hut.
I am not in the right frame of mind.
What do you mean by that?
My love, today I went to see Sika and I saw her mother's condition. My heart bled. She's really sick.
Oh, how is that your business? Are you the one that inflicted that ailment on her? Or the medicine man that heals?
How can you say that? Why? I never knew you were this heartless. I just told you that my best friend's mother is down. And all you can say is this?
What is she doing with that loser Zika?
Well, Zika is not useless. As a matter of fact, they are both in love.
Oh, good. Good. Then let love provide the items needed to heal her mother. Look, that is none of your business. Let's go to my hut. The weather is suitable. Let's go.
I am not going. I am not.
Zina. Nana, I don't know what to say.
We all ate the same food.
Then how come she alone fell sick?
Exactly the same question I have been asking the wise one. But he told me there was more to it than meet the eyes. That first of all, we need to perform sacrifice to release her from the evil spirit that has seized her soul. And that after that, any other thing can follow. That was what he said.
Uchi, as you know, I only accompanied the Koro to Wike Market, and I was able to trade the little amount of fish I have for this oil that I'm carrying. But all the same, I think we'll have to go to Koro. He will be of help.
Okay.
Just a minute. Let me get something.
I'm waiting.
Sorry, mother, sorry. Sorry, mother. Sorry. Mother. Sorry. Mother! Stopping that blood! Mother! Mother! What do we do? Mother! Mother!
Hey. This is a tough one. This is a tough one. You know I just came back from the market.
That is understandable.
But then, Ushi, you and your wife Nuju are family. And I wouldn't want anything bad to happen to her.
Exactly the point. You know, Nuju is the very essence of my life. And if anything happens to that woman, I am afraid I will commit suicide. Koro, please, I don't want my wife to die. Help me, give me the money to enable me buy the items for the sacrifice. And I promise I will pay you back as soon as possible.
It's okay,
Please,
it's okay,
please.
it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Nana, you are here. Well, there's nothing I can do. What are friends for? But, Ushi, let me ask. How, or rather, when are you going to pay this money?
Koro, my brother, please. Don't worry yourself about that. I promise you, I will give you back the money before your next trip to the market.
It's okay. I'm not doing this just because we are friends. But when I remember that your elder brother, Dunchi, was my master, he taught me everything I'm doing. In fact, he trained me well. So, if not for anything, I will do it just for him.
Thank you very much.
No, please. Don't stop me. Don't kneel down.
Thank you for me.
Stay here to stand
My
up.
wife is dying. Thank you.
We should stand up.
May God bless you.
Why are you kneeling down?
I don't know where else to go again. Please, thank you.
That's the only thing I can do for you, my brother.
Thank you.
Sika, my son. Why haven't you touched your food? Why? You told me you were hungry.
Grandfather, how can I eat when the mother of the one who owns my heart is critically ill? At the point of death, yet I am helpless.
Wait, how is Nuju?
Not as well as the heart wishes. Grandfather, not good. Not good at all. She coughed out blood.
You said blood? That's bad. And it's the first sign if the sacrifice is not made immediately.
Grandfather. What first sign are you talking about? Please tell me, Grandfather. Is it that if one gets an ailment and coughs out blood, the person will die?
Most probably. You remember what I told you? That the ways of the gods are different from the ways of we mortals. That's it.
Iloko ogbome, iloko ogbome, iloko wegbeje mo, iloko mo, iloko egbome o, iloko ogbome o, iloko wegede mo, iloko mo, iloko. We must hurry. We must hurry. Iloko ogbome.
After all this suffering, the woman finally died.
Serious.
Serious? Aye. It is indeed a misery. Great one. I have great sympathy for the husband and the family as a whole.
Only the gods can tell.
Well, exactly. God alone knows why she had to leave.
She was really looking forward to our marriage.
I know. I share in your grief. And I share in your pains.
It hurts. It hurts so much.
I know, but you've got to let it go. It's okay. It's okay.
You know, it breaks my heart to see that kind woman had to die.
It really breaks my heart. It's indeed very sad. A woman so full of life just few days ago.
But hold on. Has the ailment that led to her death been revealed?
See, now who cares about the ailments that led to her death? The fact that that ailment took her life is painful enough.
Honestly, I wonder how Sika would take this. You know, that woman was like a mother to me. She was everything.
Such a wonderful woman.
It really hurts. It really hurts to see that my best friend's mother is dead. How will Sika cope?
The gods will give her the strength.
Juku, I really pity them. We did everything we could. Yet, she died.
But wait a minute. Has anything been said about her solid death? Because I can remember it was same food everybody ate that she died and nothing happened to others.
Juku. It's a mystery indeed. I was in their huts earlier. The atmosphere was so charged. I couldn't get myself to ask anyone what the wise one said about the cause of her death.
Chai! I pity them.
Look at the gods. The gods are wise.
Sika, you've not eaten for a while. Please come and eat something.
I do not have appetite.
Listen, if you don't eat now, you will end up falling sick. Please, come and eat something, okay?
Just let me be.
All right. Let me go and get something for you. I'll be right back.
Mother.
True friendship comes from the heart. True friendship endures the worst situations. It tolerates. True friendship never betrays, neither is it envious. Having said that, my daughter, I expect you to apologize to Zina.
Mother, why would I do such a thing? She is the one who disclosed what we shared in secret to another person. She betrayed my trust. She should be the one apologizing to me and not the other way around.
Did you see her revealing the secret that both of you shared? Did you catch her doing it?
Mother, I did not see her doing it, but she's the only one that knows about it.
I never did. Why would I do such a thing to my best friend?
Please don't pretend.
My daughter, you do not accuse anyone of revealing any secret or saying any bad thing against you, especially when you did not see them doing it. I was the one that discussed with Didi.
You did?
Yes.
How, Mother? I mean, who told you about it?
Well, I was once a young girl like you. And I was once madly in love. I felt my young girl was growing a bit too fast. So I had to discuss with Didi because I wouldn't want you making the same mistakes that I did. I was just looking out for you. Now, will you apologize to Zina? And Zina, I hope you will forgive her as a sister.
Zaina, I have always taken you as my sister. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry I made you cry. Sorry. I'm only going to forgive you because of your mother. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I
Don't do that again.
I won't.
Hurry
up. Matuk.
Eh?
Matuk, Paka. Thank you.
Eh? Mama, it's painful. Oh. No.
What do you mean it's
I don't like
painful?
this. I don't like this one. Mama, no, leave this one. No, I don't
Are you not a man? It's painful, it's painful. They've not even touched your leg. You're shouting it's painful.
See, respect
Relax.
yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. Eh?
Relax.
Is it your leg? Eh? Is it your leg? Hey! Hey!
You
Mama,
have to allow her to
Hey!
do it.
Do it.
Shut up!
Shouting like a madman.
Shut up! And endure this thing like a man, which is what you are.
Do more.
Shut up!
Shut up!
Respect yourself, oh! Respect yourself, oh! Mama, you seen that? Mama, can you see that? Huh? Can you see that?
Mama, don't worry.
Huh?
Shut up to me again. Nonsense. He's still coming for you.
Zika.
Second one is coming.
Zika.
Warm it up very well.
Eh? Mama, I'm okay. I'm okay.
No, don't worry.
I'm okay. I don't want to.
Don't worry. By the time I'm done, this shape will change.
My hair is still fine. Thank you.
Do you know, on the day of your wedding, I will personally dress you up. And I will adorn you with the best ornaments and beads.
Oh, Mother.
And you will be the envy of every young girl in the village.
Mother, what can I ever do without you? You make my life very interesting and easy. I love you so much.
I love you too. And guess what? It is my pleasure and my privilege to take care of you. You're my one and only daughter. Zumalu, Zumalu.
Zumaluto.
Zumalu, Zumaluto.
Mother, why did you have to do this to me? In your words, you promised that you will always be here for me. It's been long you left, but it's still like a dream to me. You are my confidence. You are my world. You are my everything. How do I live in this world without you, Mother? How do I live without you? Oh. I just want to go with you, Mother. I just want to go.
How are you?
I'm fine. Glad to see you are back up and doing after these few sad weeks, my brother.
Duku, you don't understand. Just like my mother used to say. The real man is that person that will pass through many pains and at the end, he will stand a man. I have to man up. I have to man up for my father and Sika, my sister. What has happened has happened. I don't know what to do again. I have to face the world.
You are right. He said when the music changes, your dirty step has to change. Let's go.
How is your father?
My father is fine, you know that.
understand. Kuro, my brother, I am in the middle of nowhere. I am a confused man as I speak to you. I know that the time I promised to pay you back the money you lent me has elapsed. And that is why I am here. I have come to beg you. Please give me more time to enable my crops grow. So that when I sell them, I will come and give you the money, Biko. I beg you.
Ushi, my brother, why are you troubling yourself? It's only a heartless man that will not understand with you. Yes. I understand. I know what you are passing through.
Thank you.
Eh? Though it's going to affect my business, but never mind. Just make sure that when you get the money, you pay back. That's all. No. Come on. Sit down, my friend. Why are you kneeling down?
Thank you, my
Don't
brother.
do that.
Kuro, my brother, you are a good man. And I promise, I cross my heart, I will not forget this favor in a hurry. May the gods of our land bless you.
He said, Ushi, I also pray that the gods will never allow us to see this sort of tragedy again.
He said...
I forgot to bring cola for you. Let me get cola for you. Just relax. Okay.
My son, I'm happy that you are no longer feeling bad over the death of the mother of your friend, Sika.
Grandfather, what else can a man do? Life must go on. It's so unfortunate. Mother Nuju was very loving, caring and understanding. She was supportive of our quest to get married.
Oh, poor Nuju. Her father, Zondu, was my very good friend. She wouldn't have died if her father was alive.
Grandfather.
Yes, my son.
What would he have done?
Zondu. Her father was very knowledgeable in herbs. He would have known the proper herbs to apply to save the life of his only daughter.
Not talking to you.
What is this? How long would a man apologize for a small mistake he made long ago?
A small mistake? You call that a small mistake? Looking at every maiden's buttocks while you're working with your woman is a small mistake?
No.
That was rude.
See, I don't know what came over me, but that was long ago. I'm a changed man now.
How changed are you?
Give me another chance. And you know I'm a changed man. I miss you, my love. I miss you. Please now, eh? You know you're the most beautiful.
Say that again.
You're the most beautiful of them all. I miss you.
You know I miss you too. And don't do that again.
I promise I will never do that again. Come here.
Like me coming to your hurt all the time. It's not like I want to go. Let's go. But I just have to. Huh? And do not look at any maiden's buttocks again.
I promise I won't.
My treasure. My love. My love. I have good news for you. My grandfather said, I am now a full-grown man. And so he has decided to give me 2 parcels of land left for me by my father. Yes.
That's a good news.
And he has also given me everything I need. Actually, everything I needed to build a house. my own.
Oh, my love, I am so happy to hear this. It's indeed a good news.
Yes. My grandfather also, when I spoke with him, he also agreed that he was coming to see your father so that we can do the necessary marital rites.
Marriage?
Yes. What is it? Why is your face like this?
My treasure. My life. My happiness. My mother. She's gone. I just feel so terrible that she would not be there to witness my marriage to you. It hurts.
Nana, my friend. Uchi, I have come to say I am indeed grateful for what you've done for me and my family. Above all, I want you to help me thank Koro for all that he has done for us too.
Uchi, we have been friends for a very long time.
I know.
And I'm sure that Koro will definitely understand. You see, we are brothers. And we are supposed to support each other in times of needs like this.
That is true.
By the way, how are your children?
Oh, they're all fine.
Thanks be to the gods.
Nana, once again I say thank you. May the gods continue to bless you. You have indeed proven that you are.
Buka! Buka!
What is it?
My stomach.
Your stomach? Eh?
My stomach.
What's
It's paining me. Call father. Call him.
Father! I don't know.
Sika, what is it? What is the problem? What is it?
Stomach.
Your stomach? Oh, what happened? Hey, not again.
Father, do something.
Sorry. Iloko egbeme o, iloko gbewere gbeme sewe o, iloko me, iloko.
Why is one? Hey.
What is it?
Why is one? Please help me. My sister, I don't know what is wrong with her. She doesn't eat. She doesn't drink water. Hey, I believe it's the same scenario.
Again?
Hey, my son, I need your help. Come and help me, come.
Why are you screaming my name this early? What is it? What is it? Lika, how can you be drinking this early? Eh? Follow you to where?
I want you to see yourself. It is better see than say.
See what? Look, I hope it's not one of those your pranks. I'm not in that mood at all.
You think I have feelings for you? You are empty. In fact, you have gone. My friend, follow me! I want to give your life a minute and you are talking rubbish. Follow me.
I hope it's worth it. Lika, let's go.
What do you mean worth it? My friend, follow me!
I don't know why a full-grown man will be drinking at this time.
Did I drink with your mouth?
Please, move.
Follow me.
Please, move it. Let's go. We've been working for a while now. You've not told me where we're going to.
Listen, we're almost, don't worry, we're almost there. Please, are you stupid? You should be happy that I'm putting my friend.
Lika, I am not moving an inch until you tell me where we're going to.
We are not moving an inch. You're a fool. Where we are going, you will benefit it. And trust me, you will tag me. And if you will even beg me to marry you.
Me, Zina, marry you in your dreams. Oh. In fact, you are dreaming.
In my dreams?
In your dreams. Look at you.
You think I am Zuka? Zuka is just helping you to be thinking. If I should enter you, you know that a man entered you.
Enter who?
If I should, you are in you.
You enter me. Is this how you enter a woman? Please take me to the place. I'm tired of moving, please.
I don't even know why I'm doing this good. Probably at end.
Hey, Lika, take your time, oh. What's happening here? What is happening?
Thank the gods you're here. Please help me. They want to kill me.
Shut up, you rapist!
Rapist? Yes, so...
He's a rapist. In fact, he has been raping innocent girls in this kingdom. And that's the cause that he has been caught today.
Yes! You deserve to die.
Yes. He even raped me before and he wanted to do it again.
Do you know this man?
Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know. You have to forgive me.
Just imagine, you, Zina, while I was already thinking of coming with my kinsmen to seek your hand in marriage, you accuse me of such lies? I am no longer interested.
Please, don't talk like that. Look at me, Zina. Zina, your love.
No, Zina. Zina, you hurt me. Okay, who told you such lies against me? Who?
Whoever told me is of no importance. Trust me. But I know you have only eyes for me. I am the only one you look at. And now I believe it. I am sure about it. It will never happen again. It will never, ever, ever happen again. I know that.
Of course. What do I want in another woman that you don't have? I have eyes for you alone. Look, there are people who are bent on destroying our relationship. And they tell you such lies, and you believe them?
No, I didn't.
Oh, Zina, you hurt me. No.
I am sorry. I am sorry. It will never happen again, I promise. I am so sorry. You're the love of my life. Please, don't do this to me.
Yes. Where you get it?
Lika, I was actually coming to your house. Let this be the first and last time, let me warn you, that you ever tell lies against my Zuka. Let this be the last time. I'm warning you. Ha!
Wait. What lies are you talking about?
Lika, shut up your mouth. Shut up your foolish, drunk mouth. Were you not the one that told me that Zuka has been chasing all the maidens in this kingdom?
Yes.
You were the same person that told me that anybody who doesn't give in to him, he rapes that person.
That's correct.
And they are all lies.
They're all lies.
All lies! From you!
What is that your name again?
I can see your
My friend, tell me your name.
Zina! Don't talk to me that way.
Zina. What I am seeing is someone that has been deceived as usual. You have gone to him. Probably opened for that idiot called Zuka. And immediately, he entered. Somebody that has been deceived, that's what I'm seeing.
Lika, stay away from me and Zuka. The next time you say lies against my Zuka, you will not find me funny. Rubbish. Get away. And my Zuka.
You're a fool. Idiot.
You are the one that is a fool.
You call yourself Zina. You are Zika. That idiot Zuka has Zuka'd you. You are finished. You keep opening for him, and he will keep firing you. You are gone. Idiot. Foolish. I am trying to help your life, and you are here. You pushed me. You are a fool. Animal.
Do you know this man?
Know him?
Yes.
Don't know him.
Hey, Zina.
Where did you know my name from? I don't know him.
Zina, it's me, Zuka.
Lika, shut up! Lika, do you know him? I don't know where his face is familiar, but I'm not really able to understand where I know him from.
Hey! Know him. For where? I have never ever set my eyes on him. But I am a stranger in this kingdom.
Me, don't know this kingdom.
I'm aware.
Don't know.
Let's go.
I got you.
I am moving.
Let's go.
Move.
You got to say it.
Where are you?
Gods of our ancestors, how have I offended you? What have I done wrong to deserve this? Why visit my family with this strange stomach illness? First you took away my lovely wife, and now you want to take away my jewel of inestimable value. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Inasmuch as I cannot question your powers, I beg of you for mercy. Have mercy upon me, please. Mercy upon me and my family. Mercy.
We don't have money. We don't have money. How do we get money? How do we get money again?
Shut up! If anything happens to her, it's on both of you.
Both of us?
How? I don't understand. How do you mean?
Wise one. What did they do wrong? Please tell us.
Listen, Uchi. Though it is quite unfortunate, the items needed for the sacrifice, that would have eventually saved her, arrived late. But only the gods know why they still took her. This woman must not be buried. Yes, what killed this woman is not just mere stomach pain. It is from the past and it must be stopped. Yes.
Enough, wise one. Enough! Enough of all this! Look at my mother. Just take a look at my mother. She's lying dead. And you are here saying all this?
The truth is we are in great pain. Can you please let us be?
I'm giving you a message from the gods.
What kind of message from the gods are you talking about?
Do not bury her.
And where were the gods when my dear wife was taken away from me? Where were they? Is it not the duty of the gods to protect their children? Listen, you have done enough already. Let us bury our dead our own way.
I tried warning you, but you refuse to just listen to the voice of the gods. You allowed pain and anger becloud your sense of reasoning. You felt you struggled to get the items that are needed for the sacrifice. Yet your wife and mother was taken. You forgot that the ways of the gods are not the ways of mortals. If you had listened to me then and do as I instructed, this would not have happened.
Why so, please? Have mercy. I am very sorry.
Yes, have mercy.
If only I knew. Oh, please do not allow my daughter to die. Wise one, please. She is my only daughter. Please, I beg of you. Please, Nico, please, I beg of you.
Please, I don't want my sister to die.
The team listen to their cries.
Please, wise one, save my friend, please. Please save my friend, wise one.
Tika.
Please, wise one, please. Justice with mercy, wise one.
Please, wise one, please.
We are begging of what is it, man? Are you not the gods? Ah!
Tender justice with mercy, please. With mercy, please.
Tika.
Justice with mercy.
Rise up. Sins of the fathers. I will tell you what the problem is and how it all originated. Truna, your late wife's father is to be blamed for this.
My late father-in-law? I don't understand. How do you mean, wise one?
Unkwo,
Yes, wise one.
remember your late childhood best friend, Zondu?
Yes, I remember him very well, vividly.
Remember his late brother, Kachi, who died.
I can see that Kachi wants to feel my wrath. And I will give it to him. I'll give it to him.
how are you, my beautiful wife?
I'm fine, thank you.
I hope you had enough rest today.
Yes, I have been indoors sleeping since you left.
That's good. You know you're carrying my son. And you both deserve all the whole rest.
Kachi! You stubborn fool.
Why are you screaming into my compound like a barking dog, Zondo?
How many times have I warned you not to farm on that land?
Oh, come on. Who are you to tell me not to farm on the land our father left for us before he died? Are you not farming on yours?
I have told you times without number that I am your elder brother, and traditionally I have every right to share it the way I deem fit.
You lie,
Not you!
Zondo. You lie! You lie! Our father left us with 2 equal pieces of land before his demise. And as the only 2 surviving son, what we need to do is you take one, I take one. Not the other way around. Your greed will not allow you to accept to that fat, Zondo.
Stay away from that land. Stay away from that land, I warn you. Zoba, warn your husband.
My husband.
Don't say I did not warn you.
Please.
Warn your husband.
My
When
husband.
you're done backing, you meet me. I thought you were going to slice me with that knife when you came in.
My husband. Please. You people should settle this. This is not good. It's not nice. Please.
Oh, leave that old fool. What are you doing, my father?
You must be very, very crazy to ask me such a stupid question. Did I not warn you when you were planting on my land?
Zondo, the only reason I asked you this question is because you're my brother. If you ought to be someone else, I would have unleashed my wrath even before asking a simple question.
Wait,
Easy, easy.
Sorry, my husband.
It's hot.
I know. I'm almost done, okay? Sorry. I'm done, my husband, I want you and your brother to settle this amicably before things get out of hand. You have the same blood. There shouldn't be any enmity between you two.
With what he has done to me, you're hurting me.
I know, my husband.
You're begging me.
Sorry.
No.
Please.
I am 100% ready for that greedy fool.
You're too stubborn. Listen to me.
I have sworn by my father's grave that Zondu can never take what belongs to me.
Never. Over my dead body will you that happen?
Oh, look at you.
I'm passing through pain.
Yeah, you're in
Easy.
pain.
Move my hand a little this way.
Sorry.
Easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Sorry.
Easy.
Zondo, it is true you are the eldest son. And since the land in question is 2 pieces of land, it is advisable you have one and let your brother have the other.
Zondo, my son, for peace to reign, let's just leave it as Dika has stated.
Oh, I see. It's now clear and glaring that he has bribed both of you to the point that he will cover up for the truth.
Zondo, nobody has bribed us. Both of you are our sons. We don't like the way things are going on. That is why we came, so that there will be peace between the both of you.
Yes. Don't you ever call me your son again. I know my father, and he is late. Let me make one thing clear. I am his elder brother. I will share this land into 3 equal parts. I will take 2, and he will take 1. Anything outside of what I just said, blood will flow.
You lie, Zondo. You lie. See, if you want peace, I shall give you peace. But if you want it the other way around, which is war, then I
We have not get into this, please. You guys, what is wrong with both of you?
I can see. You have now grown. I see. We shall see then. We shall see.
Will you stop
Think
it?
it's because of this? You were lucky to get away with this.
I said stop it!
I said you were lucky. My hair lost.
What's wrong with him? What is wrong with these children? Is it not your piece of land? It's supposed to share it equally.
Oh, my husband.
Oh, my wife.
How did it go?
Oh, don't mind that idiot. My brother still insists that he wants the land.
Oh, God, why?
But I'll show you he's not getting any. Sure. I'm very hungry and famished. It's been a whole lot of stressful day.
Okay, my husband.
I need to eat.
So sorry. Sit down. Let me get you your food.
Get me
okay?
my food.
All right, my husband.
Not too fast, my love. Let me at least hear what my son has to tell me.
Okay.
Ah! He called me a lion.
That's...
Sure, I know I'm a lion.
You know.
My food, please.
Okay, let me get you your food.
Oh, God. This, my brother, is so wicked. He's an evil man. My darling, please, oh, before I die,
I'm coming.
the food I'm going to eat will add to the strength I will use in fighting my brother.
Yes.
He's an evil guy.
Here's your food.
Evil man. My favorite.
Yes, my husband. I know you will like it.
Get a seat and sit down so that we can eat together.
Okay, my husband.
Beautiful.
Let me see if I can drop this.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm coming, my husband.
Jalu keji, Jalu keji wedi.
Wise one. What is bigger than the cricket is already entering the cricket hole. There is a problem confronting me right now.
Speak, my son. Speak.
My brother wants to take what rightfully belongs to me, and I don't want it.
Is that all?
I want you to take him out of the way.
That is not a problem. Go and relax. Your brother is dead already. Zalunga Malumbalangadi. Your brother is gone.
I trust you.
Eh? Don't worry. Don't you stress yourself.
Remember that one went to Didi's shrine, and Zaka, the god of vengeance, vindicated Zondo. Yes.
Witch. You witch, be pretending as if you are crying. Oh, because my late brother and I were always having issues. So you now took that as advantage and killed him so that you will rope me.
Zondo, stop that. Eh? What has come over you? Don't you see she just lost her husband? Eh?
Did I hear you say her husband?
Yes.
He was my brother. Not just my brother, my one and only brother for that matter.
And so?
And this witch poisoned him. See, I knew something was wrong with this witch the moment she was brought into our family.
Stop it! You have said enough.
Okay. I will leave. I am leaving. You have killed him. Eat his corpse. Eat him! Witch!
It's okay. It's okay. Take it easy. God will console you, okay?
Zondo, what was that for? Tell me. Why accuse that poor woman of such allegation? Tell me.
She killed my brother. My one and only brother. Oh, what do you expect? I should clap for her, right? I should clap for her.
Wait. How are you sure she's the one responsible for the death of your only brother?
Who else did?
Can you prove it?
Didn't you hear he died while he was eating the meal she prepared? Oh, are you one of those who feels I am responsible for my brother's death because of the differences we've been having?
I haven't said so.
Better.
But
what? But what? Oh, I see. Now I know the type of snake you are. Yet I portray you as my best friend. Don't worry. I know what to do. I know what to do.
Uzondu, you are wicked.
Ukwo, you are right. There was a foul play. Uzondu was indeed responsible for Kachi's death. Yes. The effect is what we are all seeing now.
How, wise one? Could you please tell us more?
The then chief priest, Dudi, was bought over by Zondu. They were in it together. And that is why the both of them died terribly in the same fire incident.
Hey! Wise one. You have done well. This is a token of my appreciation as promised. Now that idiot, the fool, is out of the way, I will make good other promises. I will give you half of all my farm produce for the next 7 farming seasons.
I told you, I will make them believe that you're innocent.
And you did.
Lagoon labute.
Zaba.
Mondo.
I brought snails for you.
All this for me?
Why all these questions? They are good for you. You know, snails are good for pregnant women.
Oh, I'm indeed very grateful. May the gods of our land bless you.
Thank you so much. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Oh, no. I'm okay with this, okay? Thank you very much.
Okay, if there is anything you want me to do, please, just tell me.
Okay, no problem.
I'll do them.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm very grateful for this. Thank you, eh?
I'll take my leave.
Okay, may the gods be with you, eh? Okay. Thank you very much.
All right.
Over my dead body, it will never happen. I can never accept you as my husband. Evil man, you think I don't know?
See, you don't have a choice here. You don't have a choice. You are my wife. This is our tradition. Custom demands that as my brother dies, I take you as my wife. You are not just my wife. I have taken you as a wife.
May the gods forbid. May the gods of our land forbid. After killing my husband, you want to take me as a wife. It will never happen. It will never happen! You wicked man!
You are wasting your time. See, I am not saying you will be my wife. You are my wife! That is our tradition.
God forbid!
Just hold on. I will be back.
God forbid.
I am coming for you.
Never! It will never happen! I am waiting. It will never happen! Never! Over my dead body! Evil man! You think I don't know? After killing my husband, you want to take me as your own wife? Aaron!
So what has all this got to do with my late innocent wife? And now my daughter?
Yes. Sins of the fathers. I repeat,
Zoba!
Yes, sis, I'm coming. The gods of our forefathers, bear me witness this day that the animal that calls himself Zondu has taken away from me what I live for, including my unborn child. I constitute today that every female descendant of yours shall die straining with a painful stomach ailment. I constitute I constitute
Hey! Zondo! How could you be this heartless? How?
God so
Father! Father! She's coughing out blood, oh. She's coughing out blood. Father, tell him to do something. Tell him to do something. This is the same way Mama coughed out blood before she died. Yes, my wise one, please. Help us, please. Please help us.
Wise one, I am ready. I am ready to provide anything and everything that is needed for the sacrifice. Please, save her first.
Anything. Father! Father! I don't want to lose Chika.
Zoba, I have come before your angry spirits this day to plead on behalf of our daughter, Zika, and all forthcoming female descendants of Zondo, to please accept our plea and show mercy. Show mercy!
Let's go home. Let's go home. Let us go home.
God of our land.
Oh,
may the God of our ancestors
you need food. At last.
Deep things in the night, faces in the dark, must be seen in the day. The gods are wiser. Oh, the gods are wiser. The gods are wiser. Cannot see the sun under a shadow. The gods are wiser. They can see the future.